And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video, you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewer subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. So what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Choco Frosted Donut Blizzard. I was trying not to spoil the names. So I will be trying it and I will be ranking it just to see how it is. And literally, I would say 4 to 6 videos ago, I've tried their new shake. Bussin', by the way. What's it called? Like fruity pebble shake, something like that. That tastes like Fruit Loops that I thought was like Lucky Charms in the beginning. But no. But this looks delicious. Check this. Hopefully you guys can see. So we will be trying it and we will be ranking it just to see how it is. Choco Frosted Donut Blizzard. Like, okay, chocolate. Okay. Frosted. Okay. Donut. Gotta be tripping. It's almost like a mix of everything. Okay, here we go. Mm. I'm guessing that's exactly what it is. A mixture of everything. Mm. You know the thing that what's it called? Is it sprinkles? You know, like when you have donut and you see little things around it, like little color things. Not quite sure what it's called. If it's called sprinkles or whatever. It's definitely in this. Definitely looks like a donut. Also, it tastes like a. Mm, it's like, it's like eating donut in a different form. Is that weird? Like I'm used to donut being dry and warm, but like I'm eating a blizzard. It's like it tastes like donut. It's pretty weird to me. Mm, mm, wow. I think this is one of the things I've tried like doing taste tests. It's like certain things we try in different shape and form. Whoa. Okay. This I would give this. I would say this is an 8.5 out of 10, hands down. It's actually it's actually delivering, bro. Like it is delivering to the point where it's weird to me. Like I'm trying to think of okay. I was about to say chocolate chip cookie and a chocolate ice cream. But it should be roughly the same thing. Okay, let's see. Uh banana. I don't think I've ever tried any banana ice cream. Okay. You know the taste banana. Everybody should know the taste banana. But imagine that in a ice cream flavor. It's like or any of your favorite food, anything that you like. Imagine it in a different form or any juice that you like to drink. Because well, you can't really compare orange as the food to orange juice because like same thing. But imagine okay, Snickers, a candy bar. Imagine that in an ice cream. So it's like you're eating ice cream and it tastes like Snickers, but you're eating it. If that makes sense. I was thinking of literally Oreo, but you do have Oreo the chip, the biscuit, and you do have Oreo the ice cream. But any of your favorite food, it's weird, bro. Okay, let's use this since I'm going out of context. Excuse me. So donut. Imagine any donut, your favorite donut. Okay, imagine that in ice cream form. So you're eating an ice cream, but it tastes like donut. That's exactly what's happening here, bro. It is so weird to me. You know what I mean? I'm not saying it's weird in a bad way, but like it's definitely weird to me. Like Blizzard tastes like donut. Maybe because I'm a content creator and I'm always like doing taste tests. Why? But like it's literally blowing my mind. It's literally blowing my mind. But anyways, it's a limited edition and it is going to go away. So if you guys get a chance to try it and let me know if it was weird to you as how it is weird to me. Because it's definitely weird. It's definitely weird. Hands down. So if you guys get a chance to try it, let me know what exactly you think. It's still creeping me out right now, but not in a bad way. But like it's just weird. Just weird. Like donut in this form. Ah. It's weird. So if you guys get a chance to try it, let me know. It is limited edition, so it is going to go away. Sorry, and I think they have a cone dip. I'm probably going to end up trying that too, just to see how it is. Cause I think it's is it no not Captain Crunch? What is it? Cinnamon Toast Crunch cone dip. So I will try it and see just how exactly that is sitting too. If it's one of those ice cream that melts right away, then I don't know. But maybe the cone dip doesn't melt right away. I'll probably get. I should have asked them while I had this, but I'll get it one day and bring it home and try to see how it is. Hopefully, it doesn't spill or make mess or whatever. But this is what it is. So it's limited edition. It is going to go away. So if you get a chance to try it, let me know how exactly you feel about it and what you think. Definitely weird to me, hands down. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more things. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.